Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this heart I got from Dollar Tree. I start by removing the hanger and setting that aside. I then paint the back of the heart with linen colored chalk paint by Folkart. I also paint the sides of the heart as well as the little pieces in the front you can see through the gaps. After that's completely dry, I take this scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby and I trace out all of the pieces of the heart onto that paper and cut them out. And then take Mod Podge and apply that to each of the different sections and then place down the paper that matches up with those pieces and smooth it out with my hands. Once I have all of the paper attached, I use my heating tool to dry that layer of Mod Podge and then do an outer layer of Mod Podge on top of the paper. I then go around and sand off all the excess scrapbook paper that's on the outer edge. For the inside pieces where those little gaps are, I use a nail file to file any excess paper. Next, I am taking this wooden cutout that I got from Dollar Tree and painting that with Barley Pink chalk paint, and that is also by Folkart. I do paint the front, sides, and back of this just because the placement of it, you'll be able to see the word a little bit through the openings on the heart. I then take this beige and white twine that I got from Dollar Tree and I take it and wrap it around my fingers about 11 or 12 times. Pull it off my hands and then wrap another piece of the twine around the center of that and tie a nice tight knot, and I make 2 of those. And I do cut off the excess twine. After I make 2 of those, I set that aside and take a small screwdriver and push that through the holes for the hanger and then add back in the hanger that came on it. I take the little flower I made out of twine, I hot glue the first piece down, and then the second piece I hot glue that in the opposite direction right on top of the first one. For the center, I'm hot gluing a little button to it. And then the last thing I do is hot glue the love word to the heart. That is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.